You know, it's the reason why we call them wild animals, because of reasons like this. We don't fuck with them, and they don't fuck with us. So stop trying to turn wild animals into pets. It's impossible. They're still wild animals. There's no such thing as turning a wild animal into a pet. Just know, if you decide to do some shit like that, it can always turn on you. And stuff like this, what you just saw, happens. So, don't fuck with them, and they don't fuck with us.